Enable or disable Copilot AI features in Notepad for Windows 11. Microsoft introduced Copilot AI features for the Notepad app on Windows 11, enhancing your writing efficiency. This video tutorial shows you how to enable or disable these AI features in the Notepad app. Notepad in Windows 11 includes Rewrite and Summarize, two AI-powered features that help refine and shorten text with the assistance of GPT. Rewrite helps you enhance clarity, refine tone, or adjust the length of your content, allowing for seamless improvements in your writing. Summarize efficiently condenses lengthy text into concise overviews, highlighting essential points from documents, notes, or articles to simplify your workflow. To use the Rewrite or Summarize AI features in Notepad, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Microsoft 365 Personal and Family subscribers get 60 AI credits per month, while Copilot Pro subscribers receive extensive usage of AI features. Enable Copilot AI features in Notepad app on Windows 11. To turn on the AI capabilities for the Notepad app on Windows 11 PC, open the Notepad app. Click on the Settings icon located in the top bar. Scroll down to the AI Features section and toggle on the Copilot feature. Disable Copilot AI features in Notepad app on Windows 11. If you find you don't need these Notepad AI capabilities, open the Notepad app. Click on the Settings icon, scroll down to AI Features, and toggle off Copilot. The Copilot icon is now gone from the top bar of the Notepad app. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and share the video. For more tutorials like this, consider subscribing to our channel.